How to remove scientific notation in Excel. Here are a few ways to remove scientific notation in Excel. Select the cells you want to format. Go to the Home tab and click the Number Format drop-down. Choose General or Number as the format. This will remove the scientific notation. Alternatively, you can right-click on the cells, choose Format Cells, go to the Number tab, and select General or Number as the format. You can also type 1 before the cell reference to convert it to a number format. For example, if cell A1 shows 1.23 times 10 to the power of 5th, type equals 1A1 in another cell to display it as 123,000. Go to File Options Advanced. Under the Working with Formula section, uncheck Show a 0 in cells that have 0 value. Click OK. This will remove scientific notation. From cells with very small values. Format the cells as text before entering the numbers. To do this, select the cells, go to the Home tab, and click the arrow below Format Text. Then enter the numbers. This will prevent them from being displayed in scientific notation. You can use the text function to convert scientific notation to a number format. For example, equals text, A1, 0, will remove scientific notation from the value in cell A1. So in summary, changing the cell formatting to general, number, or text is the easiest way to stop Excel from using scientific notation. The key is to apply the formatting before entering the numbers.